Hi, Judy here with Song Spare Adventures. Right now we are back in Pembroke, Ontario. Sam's mom passed away last week and we're here today. There's a wake and tomorrow is the funeral. And then after that on Wednesday, we're going to start heading back to BC. Don't know how long we'll take. We'll see how it goes. This video is just a short video, just a compilation of some of the photos that I've taken. We have not had great internet along the way and hardly any Wi-Fi. So yeah, so it's I haven't been uploading too much. Anyway, have a great day. I hope you're all doing well, and it's been a great trip so far, and hope you enjoy the videos. Good morning, Judy here with Song Spare Adventures. It's early morning and I'm just going for a little walk with Gracie. It's another beautiful morning. You can hear the, I think they're called cicadas in the distance singing. And yeah, it's a beautiful little road near Jojo's house. We're off to the lake today, and then after that I'm taking my car to another garage to see if they could if they can figure out why the battery dies after a day of not use. Anyway, I will keep you posted. I'll turn you around to give you a look at the fields here. Early morning walk in the fields. We're in the old city of Trois. Still in the old city of Rivieres. We're behind Dinesh's truck and camper, and Jojo, they're in front. We're heading to Les Camps d'Anglais.
Oh, that's nice. It would have been nice to go sit here.
Yeah. Oh, that would be really nice.
That's nicer.
Okay, hold on to your horses. Do they have the right of way, or do I?
Well, there's a big park here. You should have gone in, or of course they probably only know the spot that they know.
Yeah. We're in the area of Polycarp, and it looks like a storm is brewing. We're looking for a campground, and yeah, here we go. Merrickville, Ontario. Cool little town. We're here for a couple of days. We are in Merrickville, it's a historic town, and we are on the Rideau Canal, and there are walks here. Beautiful, beautiful place. Perth, Ontario, along the Rideau Canal.